Set includes 1 table and 2 chairs. Assembled table dimensions 25.25 L x 19.12 W x 17.87 h inches. Assembled chair dimensions 11.25 L by 11.25 W by 19.87 h inches. Kid-friendly height. Gray-colored table and chair base. Table and chair tops are designed with a white finish. The set is also available in a complete white finish, assembly required. Top reviews from the United States. I couldn't be happier. This toddler table is absolutely perfect. It's very sturdy and super easy to assemble. The table is easy to clean and the chairs are light enough for my 3-year-old to move around. I'd buy it again in a heartbeat.